Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. Today we'll talk about what exactly the stock market is, how does it work, and the history of the stock market. It's a topic that's been around for centuries, and yet it's still not well understood by most people. But after watching this video you will have answers to all of your questions. So let's get started. The stock market has been around for a long time, but it's still not something everyone understands. Some people think that a stock market is just a place where rich people gamble on stocks and hope they win, but that's not true at all. The truth is, the stock market is the place where you can buy and sell stocks. A stock is a piece of ownership in a company. You can buy shares in companies like Facebook and Amazon, and when the company does well and makes more money, your shares go up in value and you will also make money. So let's discuss how the stock market started. In 12th century France, the courtiers de change were concerned with managing and regulating the debts of agricultural communities on behalf of the banks. Because these men also traded with debts, they could be called the first brokers. In the middle of the 13th century, the Venetian bankers began to trade in government securities. In 1351, the Venetian government outlawed spreading rumors intended to lower the price of government funds. Italian companies were also the first to issue shares. Companies in England and the Low Countries followed in the 16th century. The Dutch East India Company, founded in 1602, was the first joint stock company to get a fixed capital stock, and as a result, continuous trade in company stock occurred on the Amsterdam Exchange. Soon thereafter, a lively trade in various derivatives, among which options and repos, emerged on the Amsterdam market. Dutch traders also pioneered short selling, a practice which was banned by the Dutch authorities as early as 1610. Let's look at the Dutch East India Company. Their business model was based on a single idea. They would organize their resources into a single entity, which could then be used to fund voyages to Asia and other places around the world. To fund these voyages, they decided to issue shares of stock, small portions of ownership in the company, to investors. They were the first joint stock company, which meant that shareholders could sell their shares and anyone could buy them without any effects to the continued existence of the company. Let me explain to you how does it work. Well, there are two ways. The first way is by buying stocks or options directly from the company you want to support. This helps them get more money so they can hire more employees and expand their business further. It also means that if the company does well financially, then your initial investment will be worth more than when you purchased it. The second way is by buying stocks from other investors who have already bought into a company. If enough people believe in a company's future success and buy its stock, then it becomes easier for companies like yours or mine to raise money. So now you understood what the stock market is, how it is started, and how does it work. So now let's discuss how prices of share are determined. Stock prices are determined by supply and demand. The stock market is a place where people who own stocks go to sell them, and people who want to buy stocks go to buy them. The price of each stock is determined by how many people are willing to buy it or sell it at a certain price. So if there are a lot of people who want to buy one stock, then the price will be high. If only a few people want to sell their shares at that price, then the price will go up even higher, and vice versa. If there are a lot of people who want to sell their shares at any given time, the price will go down because there's more supply than demand. And if there are a lot of people who want to buy shares at any given time, the price will go up because there's more demand than supply. I hope you've enjoyed this video and learned a lot. If you liked it and want to see more, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any ideas for what we should do next, let us know in the comments below.